Hi, and welcome to Michelle Creations. Spring has sprung, and I went and bought my first flowers to put in my gardens outside in my flower pots. And I bought some strawberries this year, and I said, you know what? I think I have a strawberry mold somewhere. This is from Temu, so as you can see, the top is not very good. It's a thin mold. But I think once we fill it with resin, it's going to balance out, and I think it'll round out on its own. We're going to find out. See if Temu mold's worth it today. So I poured alcohol in them, and this one measures out to hold 4 ounces, and this one measures out to hold 1.5 ounces. So I mixed up 5.5 ounces. I have 4 ounces left in my red, and I did 1.5 ounces in the green, obviously. And I think what I want to do, and what I added to this was our crushed crystal. And I also added our rainbow marabou alcohol ink. And I used the Let's Resin Rose and the Let's Resin Emerald Green. And what I think I want to do is I want to add a little bit more color as I'm pouring it, so we kind of get a swirl look through it. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. We'll see how this works. Let's start with the green. Let me put these on a paper towel because I'm going to need to shift them to the side. And that's hard to do when they are silicone on a slick surface. They don't slide very well. They want to stick. So let's take our green, and I've already mixed it. The green, I mean, I've already given it a shaky shake. And we're just going to give that a little bit of a swirl. And I'm probably not going to get a whole lot of color out of it, and that's okay. And look, I got a spray bottle. Finally went to the store and bought me a spray bottle. I think I want to put some extra green down in the tip of that. And then I'm just going to add green to the resin. And just pour it in there. Oh crud, I just put the tip of my alcohol in there. Wow, I've got way too much green. How did I do that? I have this, this is actually a Cricut tool, except the end of it is bent completely over, so it's not sharp. And I'm just going to go over, I need to get me one of those tools that Michelle over at Glitz and Glitter had on her eBay store that gentleman, AJ, I think is his name, was making. But every time I see she has them, they're sold out before I can get to them. And if you haven't seen it, go over to her channel and check it out. It's a really neat little tool, and the gentleman uses, I think it's copper wire. He uses some sort of wire, and he flattens it out and makes these beautiful little I don't remember what they're called, but you can run it around underneath the edge, and it actually does this for you. It's a tool that it's actually made for that. So kudos to him for coming up with something that us resiners really need, because we're using weird stuff to get bubbles out of our resin pieces. You can also, if you don't have something, you can give it a squeeze, but see how that air pocket came back in there? You just got to be super careful on how you do that. And be super careful because you don't want to scratch your mold. That will ruin it. So I'm just using that blunt end, and it is not sharp at all. You would never be able to weed paper or vinyl with this thing. But it is perfect for this, so I didn't want to get rid of it. All I'm doing is adding air bubbles to that side. I need to add a little bit more, it looks like. Here we go. Try and get rid of all of these little bubbles. And I love how some of our stems, or some of our leaves, have got dark green down inside of them. It's going to add a lot of dimension to our flower petals, to our strawberry. I want to try and get all these bubbles out, because if you don't, you're going to have a big old bubble underneath, and I don't want that. Just give that a stir, and we're going to top that off. You do want that topped off because that is your lid. So you want it nice and domed. Looks good. All right, and we are going to do the same thing with our red. I'm going to get our darker red, actually, because this one you can't really see. Here's one called Raspberry. That ought to work. Whoops. Oh yeah, that's much better. Again, I want to spray that to help avoid any bubbles if we can. Oh, that's so pretty. Before I top that up, I just want to give our jar a little squishy squish. Make sure we have all the bubbles out from the bottom. Good, and then we'll just top it off. I think I must have measured it wrong because what I have left needing in here looks like about what I have in here. And I don't think I'm going to be able to scrape out enough to fill this up. And if that's the case, that's fine. I'll mix up another half an ounce or something. Yeah, I'm going to need some more. Dang it. It's all good. All right, I am going to mix up a little bit more and top off our strawberry, and then we will be back to unmold it. Actually, I'm going to try and put the green in and see if I can push the green down into the red. I'm dripping on my table here, dang it. I may have just ruined that. I guess we shall find out. Alright, that is nice and domed. That is domed. I got just a tiny bit left over here. I'll find a mold to put that in, and we will be right back for you and unmold it. These are fully cured. And I can tell by looking through the mold it's too dark on the bottom. So I'm pretty sure I ruined it by adding the green to the bottom. Dang it. This is just some soapy water. When I got my new bottle for my oil, I went ahead and got another one for soap. Soapy water anyway. Oh, it's soapy. You just work it around. It's not so bad. That's not so bad at all. It is a little darker towards the bottom, but it's not awful. There we go. Cute. Oh, and that fits perfectly. Aw, that's actually really cute. Can't put much in it, but it's a cute little jar. And I don't mind the darkness at the bottom. I'll do another one where it's just the red. This is really, really cute. And I'll put a little cork bottom on it, and it will be done. Super cute. That's adorable. All right, thanks guys for joining me. This was a short video today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would like to be notified of any of our other videos as they come up. And I guess until I see you next time, we'll see you then. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.